NCERT presents the story The Journey to Grandma's House.
Since morning, Akash and Rinki had been very excited. They were going to their grandma's house today. Akash was eagerly waiting for his dad to come home from the office. As soon as it was evening, Ramesh Babu returned from office. Soon, a taxi was booked to go to grandmother's house. Rinki, along with her mother, kept all the luggage in the taxi. Even after the father's insistence, Akash stubbornly sat on the seat next to the driver. And the taxi journey to Grandma's house began. As the car reached a little distance from home, Rinki noticed that both Akash and driver uncle had not worn their seat belts.
Akash, you should wear your seat belt.
I know. I'll fasten it once we get to the highway.
Uncle, you too should wear the seat belt while driving.
The driver ignored Rinki. Just then, Rinki noticed the car's side mirror.
Uncle, how will you see the cars coming from behind through this broken glass?
I've been driving for many years. I don't need this mirror.
Papa, this uncle is driving so carelessly. We will reach Grandma's house safely, right?
Don't worry, Rinki. Everything is fine.
Now, the car had reached the highway. Akash had not yet worn his seatbelt. His entire attention was on the other cars on the road. Rinki asked him to wear his seatbelt again. Akash got irritated and put on his seatbelt but loosened it and held it with his hand and once again started watching the cars come and go. The driver was driving carelessly all the way. Sometimes he would talk on the phone and sometimes he would open the window of the car and spit pan on the road. Ramesh Babu was also very upset with his irresponsible behavior.
Listen, the road ahead is narrow. Drive carefully and slowly.
As soon as Ramesh Babu said this, the car collided with a motorcycle coming from the front.
Look, an accident happened there.
Ambulance! Somebody please call the ambulance!
Hey look, kids got also hurt.
Immediately after the accident happened, people gathered on the road. Someone from the crowd even called an ambulance. Akash also got hurt due to not wearing the seat belt properly. On the other hand, the motorcycle rider also started demanding compensation from the driver.
Look, what happened because of your carelessness.
Please forgive me, sir. It was my mistake. I did not pay attention.
Rinki was happy that there was no major accident and no one was seriously injured. She decided that when she grows up and learns to drive, she will definitely follow all the traffic rules. Carefully listen. Here are some important traffic rules. Wear a seat belt or a helmet while driving. Do not exceed the speed limit. Always obey the traffic signals. Stay in your lane. Maintain a safe distance from the other vehicles. Do not drink and drive. Do not use mobile phone while driving. Make way for emergency vehicles like ambulances or fire engines. Get your vehicle serviced regularly. Drive slowly at main roads, intersections, crossroads and turns.
You were listening to the story The Journey to Grandma's House. Academic Coordinator Professor Usha Sharma. Script written by Dr. Pramod Kumar Tiwari. Narration Khyati Mehra, O Swaraj, Devraj Sharma, Mayank Vij, Abhishek Sharma, Jyoti Deswal. Technical Direction Rishabh Mahajan, Mayank Vij, Abhishek Sharma. Academic Support Bhavna Kheda. Development Support Jyoti Tiwari, Yachna Gupta, Mohammad Shah Alam. Cell for National Center for Literacy, NCERT, New Delhi. This program has been presented by NCERT, New Delhi, India, in collaboration with Pawan Productions.